In today's video, I will teach you how to make a screenshot look photographed using Gimp. Let's get started. First, capture a screenshot that you want to edit, and then open Gimp and load your screenshot. Now add a new layer above your screenshot layer and fill it with black. Set the opacity of the black layer to 20%. Then go to Filters, Distort, and choose Erase Every Other Row. Then merge all layers by going to Image, then Flatten Image. Then choose the Perspective tool from the toolbox. Then drag the corners of your screenshot to create a perspective effect. Then adjust until it looks natural as if viewed from an angle. Once satisfied with the perspective adjustment, click the Transform button to apply the changes. Now, use the Rectangle Select tool to create a selection around the visible part of your screenshot, excluding any transparent edges. Now go to Image, then crop the selection to remove the transparent areas. Now review your image to ensure the perspective and overlay effects look realistic. And you can make any additional adjustments as needed, such as refining the crop or further adjusting the perspective. By following these steps, you can effectively make a screenshot look like it was taken with camera, adding a dynamic and realistic touch to your image. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.